how to edit .ht or hypertext access file through cPanel File Manager. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Now go to the Files section and click File Manager. There is a list of file directories that contain the .ht access file. Hypertext access or .ht access file is a hidden file. First, go to Settings and check the Show All Hidden Files option. Click the Save button. Now click the directory name Public HTML to open it in the adjoining window. First, right-click the .ht access file, then select the Edit option. If you want to change the encoding, you can change it now. Otherwise, click the Edit button. Let's make some changes to the PHP version as per our requirements. Now click the Save Changes button to save it. Success! We have made changes in the .ht access file. Thank you for watching.